Physical strength is no substitute for perception. For perception is the key which unlocks the intangible power of the spirit. You perceive nothing.
Viteria Euganea, founded in 1974, has established itself as leader in the distribution of both designed and standard parts. Our mission is to offer the market the most advanced service for the supply of fasteners to industries. We have created a modern logistics center so as to satisfy even the most demanding customers. Quality, a wide range of products, as well as on-time delivery represent our daily commitment. We want to be the best distributor of fasteners in Italy. The heart of Viteria Euganea lies in its large, entirely automated warehouse, which contains the widest range of fasteners available on the market. 40,000 items contained within a logistics centre that manages 33,000 Euro pallets and 40,000 iron boxes. The sales network is linked to the modern IT system within the company headquarters in Padua, so as to have a real-time exchange of information. Product demand for standard products is met thanks to ex-stock availability, and these are shipped to the customer within 24 hours of order confirmation. The handling of the material is carried out by 17 automatic stacker cranes, 16 shuttles and laser-guided vehicles. Items are picked up from 10 drop-off stations with an output capacity of 3,000 line items per day. Packed goods pending carrier transport are stored in automated facilities containing 1,500 pallets. The procedures carried out within our logistics centre, from the incoming goods to the outgoing goods, are controlled by an excellent IT system with redundant and duplicated servers in 2 different buildings, in order to guarantee the utmost security. Viteria Euganea is a modern, advanced company that has maintained its original characteristics of a family-run business. Our duty is to carry out your projects and to work alongside you in order to help you choose the most appropriate solutions. Every year, our qualified technical personnel deals with 8,000 designed items in order to fulfill each application of your projects. We have a modern laboratory that can issue certifications relating to any type of product, of either a standard or a special one. Inspections carried out are rigorous, in conformity with both current standards and customer requirements. A department equipped with sorting machines allows Viteria Euganea to comply with fault rates defined together with the end user, therefore ensuring a zero-defect supply chain. Modern equipment and rigorous procedures make sure that the batches of material at the end of the sorting and packaging processes are shipped to their destination, fully respecting quality standards agreed upon with the customer. Viteria Euganea has kit packaging lines with 4 and 8 automatic feeder stations, with the possibility to also insert elements with special shapes. It is possible to customize the package with labels, codes and descriptions in conformity with the needs of the customer. The careful management of warehouse stock is of fundamental importance in order to achieve an effective cost containment policy. We are the ideal partner you can entrust all stages of Class C item management to: the choice, production, control, supply methods. Kanban and consignment stock services, online and borderline supplying, refer to technical methods that allow the reduction of stock management costs as well as the elimination of the need for a warehouse upon customer premises. The needs of the most demanding partners provide the most effective incentive in order to anticipate future market requirements. Over the years, the company has constantly renewed itself by expanding its organizational structure. By means of the production capacity of Frabo and MMP, the skills possessed by MVA within the automotive industry, together with the lean advanced logistics of Viteria Euganea, we are able to provide immediate and winning solutions made to measure to fulfill our customers' needs. Viteria Euganea. Excellent skills, effective solutions.